What's up, team? So in today's video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be having a look at Kadena and Verasity. Verasity right here, Kadena right here. We're going to be talking about the Fear or Greed Index and Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. Just a weekly recap on exactly what happened this week, where are we going next week, and that's about it. So Bitcoin right now, just a quick update, under $600 billion market cap, guys. That is beyond insane. I mean, just a few months ago, we were at 60,000 with the market cap at $1.3 trillion. That is beyond insane. So a lot of money has been shed off this market cap. Right now, currently down 1.17% in the past 24 hours. If I look right here, since the new daily candle started, we are actually down 3% with KDA down 8% and VRA down 6%. Now, we know that every time Bitcoin dumps, the reason why I'm starting with BTC is because when Bitcoin dumps, altcoins dump. Anyways, starting off with this nice little trend line that we had right here, Bitcoin had a nice little trend line all of from the 18th of May all the way to the 20th of May. So just 2 days, nothing too crazy. And we broke down. Why did we break down? Well, resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. Where can we go next? Well, we have a support right here holding and another support right here holding. So these are the levels I'm going to be watching until we have a breakout out of here. I won't see Bitcoin moving this area until we break out or 31,000 or 28,000. So this is the consolidation phase that I was talking about. I said when Bitcoin right here was going to dump, we were most likely going to see a consolidation phase for a week or two, and this is exactly what is happening right now. In my opinion, we're most likely going to fall down. I mean, if we have a look at the RSI, we did grow a little bit, as you guys can see. I mean, this trend is just like, it's such BS because we haven't even moved and the RSI is moving up. So it's actually pretty interesting what we're seeing right here. So I think we're going to come back down. I mean, there's no question $20,000 is most likely going to happen. And another thing we want to have a look at is the EMA ribbon, guys. I mean, we haven't been able to cross above the exponential moving average. And if I actually remove all of that, this is a 9 moving average. Ever since we broke down the 9 moving average, we've just been trending down, and we came back, retested it down. So the 9 moving average is definitely something you guys want to have a look at. And another thing is the VPVR volume profile. The point of control is sitting right in the middle. As you guys can see, this is where the most volume has been taking place, obviously, since we've been coming and trending and trading in this area right here. So the POC level, we are below it, which is pretty a bearish sign in my opinion. We were trending right here, just like kind of nothing too crazy, no big move. Even right here, every time we trend above the EMA, POC level, which is the point of control volume profile, we usually end up coming down, and boom, we are coming down right here. We're going to be having a look at Kadena. Actually, before I look at that, let's have a look at the Fear or Greed Index real quick. 13. Okay, so there's a lot of fear in the market right now, and as you guys know, not financial advice, you want to buy when there's a lot of fear in the market, and this is exactly what we're seeing right now. 13 is pretty low. If I have a look at the max level in the Fear or Greed Index, usually when we are pretty low right here, we usually end up having a nice little pullback. So the question is when will the pullback happen? I don't know, guys. I mean, I'm not here to say. All I know is that I'm going to be playing this chart right here. If we break below 28,000, I'm going to be looking to short. Maybe I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm going to be looking to short the market, of course, with the tight stop loss, but we're going to have to see. Other than that, there's nothing too much to see over here. Guys, Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. This is definitely something I want to have a look at. We're in the accumulation phase right here. As you guys can see, accumulation phase is anywhere between $29,000 to $40,000. And I mean, Bitcoin is just sitting right here at it's the green, the darker green. So this is a light green right here, this is a darker green. After that, we have the blue level, which is 27,000, and of course fire sale is 20K. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin coming down to below $20,000. I know people are calling 14K. I don't think that's possible. I think 20K, 22,000, and retest the 200 moving average on the weekly is something possible. Right here, just a final update, guys, on the 200 moving average real quick. So this is a 200 moving average right here, currently sitting at 21,000, 22,000. So we're gonna have to see. I don't think Bitcoin goes above that or below that. Sorry. Having a look at KDA real quick, $2.45, $450,000 market cap, 450 million, dollar market cap. Let's have a look at KDA, quick TA on the 4-hour time frame real quick. Let me remove this the 50 moving average real quick and the 9 moving average. Sorry guys, not going to be editing in this video. I don't edit my videos. Everything is raw. Anyways, we did have a nice little trend right here that we broke, and we had another nice little trend line right here that we broke on the 4-hour. So this was the longer one, this was the shorter one. Where can we be going? Well, not VRA. Kadena's definitely going to come back down and retest at least 2.25. Let me close my window 1 second. And we're most likely going to double bottom from here. Now, whatever happens after that is depends on the the support, right? So we can either come back and essentially break this level right here, or and come back down and retest right here 1.54, or we could double bottom and retest and maybe consolidate right here like Bitcoin has been doing. I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, no one knows. We can't predict. We have to be prepared and react to the market, not predict the market. Another thing is we got rejected by this resistance right here, which was supported by this resistance right here. So that's about that. Nothing too crazy. Nice little breakout right here. Of course, the breakout was more aggressive because of the trend line and because of Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Veracity real quick. Under 8 cents. No, even less than 8 cents. Sorry. Veracity is traded under 1 cent at 0.007. Market cap of $35 million, guys. This is a weekly recap once again. So I'm just recapping everything. Ranked 480, 361,000 people on the watch list. Fantastic. Volume to market cap is at above 50%, which is fantastic. Let's dive into the charts and see what's up. So Veracity real quick. Nothing too crazy. We did get rejected right here by this nice little resistance. As you guys can see right here, we weren't able to climb above it. If we have a look at the moving average, exponential moving average, same thing as Bitcoin, guys. VR is doing the same exact thing as Bitcoin. Can get above it, can get above the EMA ribbon. We're getting rejected very aggressively. Now the main question is will Veracity close below this trend line right here? So we've been in this trend line since the beginning of the week. Okay, 13 of May, 13, 14 of May, we had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, and then 4 touches, and then boom, came back down. Now the question is are we gonna come back and essentially stay above the trending line or the trend line? At the end of the day, it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin managed to pop back up, we could see Veracity, stay above it. But it seems like these EMA ribbon and the trend line is holding Veracity from essentially staying up. And that's about it. What can we see in the upcoming hours or days? Well, Veracity can definitely come back and retest 0.05. That would be a 30% dump, I believe. Yeah, 29% dump it would be. And of course you could accumulate more. So assuming you put in $150 and you buy the dip at 0.006, that would be approximately 25,000 Veracity. Now my price prediction for VRA is $1.6 in 2025. That is $40,000 from a $150 investment. Guys, that is beyond insane. Don't sell. I mean, not financial advice, but don't sell to your whales. Don't sell your backs to institutions. Don't give it to the whales. Accumulate. Hold. If you believe in a project, there's no reason why you shouldn't be accumulating and holding. I mean, that's about it. That is my weekly recap on VRA, Bitcoin, and Kadena. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Guys, Twitter and Instagram in the description below. Peace.